Hi, my name is Ricky Palomo. I am a certified occupational therapy assistant and certified brain injury specialist. I work in Emerge Nursing and Rehabilitation in Glen Cove, New York as the neurological coordinator. We have 2 other neuro rehab facilities, Quantum in Middle Island and North Westchester in Mohegan Lake. I'm here today to show you various adaptive equipment that will help maintain independence while at home for those with more physical disabilities. So the first thing I'd like to show you, adaptive kitchenware. Over here we have weighted utensils. These are very useful for people that are suffering from Parkinson's disease or just have tremors in their hands from old age. These are weighted to maintain stability, and they come in many different forms. You got the fork, you got the knife, you got a spoon. And also for those who are suffering from weakness, say you suffered a stroke, your hand hasn't come back yet in terms of gripping strength. This is called a universal cuff. What you can do is you can put any kind of utensil, doesn't have to be one that comes with it, and put it into the cuff itself. From there, you're able to scoop while maintaining and trying to make a grasp motion. Just little tools that help you gain back independence every so often, maintain it for as long as possible. The next adaptive equipment I'd like to show you is an adaptive plate. For people that have limited dexterity due to a neurological injury that may have had some weakness and residual weakness left over, you can grab any utensil, and instead of making a scooping motion, which may be really difficult right now, you'll be able to bring the meal up the plate to the side and bring it up without having to do the extra motion. This is great for those who are suffering from strokes that have weakness. Another part of the plate we have here is just a clip-on that goes over any kind of kitchen plate that you may have at home. This is more of a smaller plate. It will go over anything with this opening. Same motion applies. Same concept there. You can use both adaptive equipment devices at the same time as well. Those who just got out of recovery that need a little more time, for me, universal cuff. Put this on, I don't have a grip. I'm able to pull, scoop, lift, bring to mouth. And last we have adaptive cups. These in particular are known as convalescent no-spill cups. We have one that has 2 handles here, one that has no handles. And this is all based on what kind of dexterity you have with whatever you're dealing with at home in terms of physical weakness. If you're having a difficult time lifting a cup up that has a full liquid with one hand, this is great to have a tube grip, pull up to your mouth. It also has, both of these have them, these are air vents that you're able to press onto that limit the flow of liquid to slow it down. So in case you're dealing with swallowing difficulties, you can pick up the cup, press a finger with the amount of dexterity you need, and bring it to your mouth to control the flow. This is also very good for if you're having mobility issues in bed with laying down and you don't have the ability to maybe move your torso so much. This is a good way to safely be able to drink liquid without risk of aspiration choking on it. So we've gone over various different kinds of adaptive equipment for use at home or in the community. You can find all of these items either online or at your local pharmacy. Please remember to like and subscribe our Paragon channel, and please continue to look for more content.